In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Maps to your Wix website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is my website and I want to add Google Map to the contact section of my website. So to add a map to our website, from the left menu we are going to click on Add Elements, select Contact and Forms, and then click on Maps under Google Maps. Now you can select the map based on your website theme color and then drag it to your website. Let's adjust the width of this map. Now select Manage Locations from the top. If you want multiple locations, then you can select multiple from here. After that, enter your location here and then the title, and also you can add a description for the location, and you can also add a link to this map. If you want to do further settings, then click on this settings gear icon, and here you will see further settings for the maps. If you want to change the design, just click on this design tab, and now you can change the design according to your own choice. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.